So right now we are in Fuerteventura. It's very beautiful island, it's very long island with many beautiful beaches, and right now we are in the Coralejo town. It's not the main city, it's not the capital, but it's the most touristic and it's very beautiful. It's really relaxing, it has beautiful vibe, and you have here also people that are creating like this let's say advanced sand castles, and it's very beautiful. You can support them, and you have many cafeterias and restaurants around, so let's see it. PLAYA, and we are going to surf a little bit with the soft tops. We are going to improve our pop-ups and our turns, our balance on the boards, and this right behind me is the beach, PIEDRA. They have today very huge waves. They have 6 to 8 feet. It's very big for us, and we are going down. We rented the surfboard for €15 with a wetsuit for 1 day, so see you down. So we have finished our surfing. It was very exhausting because here you have very strong currents and they are taking you more to the side or back to the shore. You have to paddle a lot, and it's good beach for the beginners, but don't come here on a low tide. Better if you come here middle or high tide, because the currents are not so strong. Now we are going back to Coralejo, and tomorrow we are leaving Fuerteventura. We are going to Lanzarote. We found a ferry, LINEAS Romo, for €15 one way to Lanzarote. So see you in the next video.